Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. All right. Alrighty. So basically, the market has to make a decision. I was thinking that we were going to bounce to at least 401, 402. If we can comfortably break above on the SPY, then we can retest 403, 404, but it's going to be fun. Good morning, everyone. All right. I'm excited. All right. The IWM is holding the strongest. It's basically sitting right at VWAP, right? VWAP is holding on the IWM. 296.75 is major support on the NASDAQ, and the SPY is also holding VWAP a bit as well. But whereas the SPY and the NASDAQ broke low of day already, the IWM is still trading above its low of day. And basically, the strength in the IWM is holding the SPY up from not falling as dramatically as the NASDAQ, basically. So the momentum is still clearly bearish, right? But if you were to go long, it's not basically going long right now. You're basically hoping that the strength in the IWM can continue. So generally this is not like a safe trade to make. So it's not really worth taking. The NASDAQ is still holding above its level of support, but now it's having trouble at the 200 SMA. So let's see if we start getting some strength. We're only going to go long into some solid strength. Damn, what have I put? But yeah, things are happening pretty interestingly right now. Let's just wait. NASDAQ is having trouble at VWAP and 297.30. The IWM is also failing to hold above VWAP. All right. Things are very choppy. So we're just waiting. Nine stop. IWM cracked below low of day, but we have to buy light SPY calls 401 stop. Light position, this could get chopped out, but if they're gonna rip it up, this could easily get chopped out. So just have a light position. Honestly, we're only taking it because, you know, I don't like this position. I don't like the setup, but if they are going to rip it up, they may be able to do it with this. The IWM bounced out of low of day and then closed above VWAP. Similar to the SPY, like it closed above VWAP as well, and 401.30 basically broke upward as resistance. The calls aren't moving that much, but a lot of the money was made by algos on that wick down, 944. The contracts were much cheaper. So had they bought on that wick down, contracts are up way more, whereas we're only up we're only up about 15%. So they would be up way more than that. Get it? So the one of the reasons why I wasn't comfortable taking that position was because of that big wick, and the setup just looked really ugly, but thankfully it's working out. All right, almost 20%. Make sure you guys take some profits and lead runners. We're retesting high of day. This should be good. Yeah, it should be good. Now if the NASDAQ can break above 297.70, this is gonna freaking fly. But yeah, let's see. The NASDAQ is trading right below the 50 SMA now. If we can get 2 closes above the 50 SMA on the 1 minute, and then it could also break above 297.80, then this is gonna hit probably at least like 50%. Big area on the NASDAQ right now. Good. All right, let's get a solid close above it. Contracts up 45. Contracts up 45%. Easy money. Very nice. It's getting difficult to try to add to longs here, right? So now, most likely what they're going to do is they're going to try to retest 40160, 40150. And then late bulls are going to have to make a decision over there. Depending on the setup and everything like that, we're going to see if they can continue it up. Morning. Drink water, bro. You're not on TikTok. Yeah, I fixed the TikTok setting. I messed up. I should have bought more. Not going to fly. Good call. Puts? Nah, it's too risky to buy into puts. When there's a lot of strength like this, you don't want to just buy into puts because that would be playing against the momentum. What you would rather do is you want to buy pullbacks. So when it retests levels of support, that's when you want to try to add into your position instead of buying puts. Buying puts would be super risky when there's like when you're trying to go against momentum. So NASDAQ, we got 1 close above 297.70. Now we're just trading right around that level. We need to see if the NASDAQ can show some strength and rip back up. The SPY is a stock. So you literally, so the website that you're looking at right now is called tradingview.com. You could go to TradingView and type in SPY, and then you can open up a chart of this. It won't look the same, but yeah. Yeah. Make sure you guys have taken profit and don't let this go back red. Obviously. Yeah, please. Just do not let this go back red. Oh, man. All right, this is going to be important next few minutes. The NASDAQ came back, retested VWAP, 297.30. The SPY came back, retested 401.60. The IWM is still holding in its bull structure as well. This is going to be a pretty interesting time. This isn't the best logging opportunity, honestly. But they're making it difficult for late bulls, basically. But this is, if they were, you know, going to add, it wasn't the best setup. But what we saw today already is there was choppiness. There wasn't amazing setups made. Even this big green candle, for example, right? What I would love to see is, obviously, if this works and it breaks up, that's great. But what I would have loved to see is for this to be a bull trap, for it to rip lower, retest 401.50. And then from here, like, it can make a good solid candle above like 401.70 or something like that. And then we would go long over here instead of trying to go long on this. Because going long over here, you're hoping that people continue bidding and buying, right? But if you're going long over here, all of the people that went short can also take profit. So then there's more buying pressure and more steam for the move up. So you can feel like when the market is like barely breaks above high of the day without like proper strength, it's just showing you that there aren't enough buyers. You get it? So I feel basically like, had we had broken down to 401.50 and then retested from there, we would have a lot more buying pressure. And yeah, we're making little highs of days technically, right? But it's not enough definitive strength. Basically what I'm looking at. But then at the same time, it's difficult to short. It's difficult to short because of the buying pressure that's keeping this up. So it's a interesting spot, basically. Basically, the momentum is bullish, but not bullish enough. So Ooh, interesting. This is actually a pretty good hmm. Yeah, they're chopping things around, but bears are definitely going to try to short here with a high if they stop. But it would be a very early trade, but it's yeah, puts paid so well on that candle. NASDAQ filled at 297.70 again. But it's back at VWAP, and the IWM bounced off of the 10 SMA. Ooh. All right. Saw a lot of buyers step in on the NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ got to close above 297.70, right? And now we're trying to close again above it. But going long here on the SPY is basically you're hoping that the strength of the NASDAQ and the IWM and everything can continue. So obviously the NASDAQ looks a bit more like momentum fluid than the SPY. The SPY is just chopping in a very tight range, but then the NASDAQ is moving much more. So obviously this is the strength did not maintain. This is not the best opportunity to long. Should be giving another leg down. And then breaking 470. 295.70 is major support on the NASDAQ. The IWM is at 188.90 support. I want this to retest 416, but yeah, if we retest 416 on the SPY, that would be a much safer time to go long. It's like light SPY calls. Stop loss below $1. Momentum is still bearish, but basically we have to take this and have a stop loss basically. All right, now let's see if buyers can start feeling more comfortable. I'm increasing the stop loss to 104. We need a big explosion. Need a very big explosion right above 400, 40130, 4120 at least. This is a small one so far. I want to see like a solid big explosion. All right, we're up over 10%. Take some profits. Now just leave runners. Don't let them go back red. Have a stop loss right at your entry point or a bit below it, depending on how loose you want to be. But I would have it at break even at this point. Yeah, we had a big. It wouldn't. I mean, yeah, we had a little move, but the structure isn't like as explosively strong as it should. Basically, the overall momentum of the day is still bearish, right? It's, I mean, not for the day, but clearly, like the immediate momentum is still very, very bearish, right? But if after a reversal, if after a reversal we still could not break above like a major level of resistance, 4120, 4130, then that is just screaming bearishness, basically. Like it's not screaming enough bullishness. Does that make sense? So yeah, that's why I was hesitant with that move. Now let's see if we can catch another one. Ooh, we have to freaking damn. This is. Yeah. I really wanted to buy puts, but it's. Such choppiness, man. Why you're doing such choppy? Damn. Show me something, SPY. Show me something. NASDAQ 296.14 is major support. 188.90 is major support on the IWM. Just mark these levels down on your chart. And then on the NASDAQ below 296.14 is 295.78. Everything's trading right around the 10 SMA. Very interesting situation here. SPY is also the 10 and the 200 SMA on the SPY and the IWM. Very close. This isn't a good long, but they're probably gonna bounce it off 408. This is a very ugly long. Such a disgusting, ugly long, but yeah, this generally should not work. Disgusting. This should not work. We're gonna have to take it if they continue, but generally this would be a bull trap and make a new low of day. But NASDAQ still holding above support. IWM is also still holding above support. We're getting 2 closes above the 10 SMA on the NASDAQ. Maybe that'll help the SPY, but you're basically hoping that the NASDAQ continues showing strength. All right. Yeah. We have to take light SPY calls. Such an ugly trade. Go light. This is a very ugly setup. Makes me very unhappy. But I have a stop loss for 0.67. This is the riskiest trade so far. Yeah, I'm out. Let's see if we could we have to take SPY calls again for 1 stop. Again, light positions, ugly setup, but unfortunate situation. Very unfortunate situation. But yeah. SPY needs to finally break and hold above 401.20 and above VWAP. But disgusting. All right, I'm gonna sell if yeah, and I'm just gonna call it a day. If we continue, I don't know if it makes sense to try to get into calls just yet. We could get puts. So once again, I didn't know how long, I didn't know how, fast basically, or how much basically when we were trying to go long, right? 401 was acting as a support. As soon as we broke that level of support, this is basically what I do every single time. And I just don't call it out, but this is basically what you can, look, this is literally what you can do. And this works so much. So check it out. All right, so we were going along with a 401 stop. All right, cool. And 1 second. Yeah, sorry. So we were going along with a 401 stop, right? Hello, the market is giving mixed. All right, relax. Anyway, all right. So we were going long with a 401 stop, right? As we got a break below, that was our stop loss for longs, right? Everyone was going long. We had a stop loss. Everything was great, right? As soon as we break down below that level, it almost always works. You just buy short. You just buy short, but it's always like it's a quick scalp. You get it? It's not something that I would really feel comfortable alerting, but it would basically need to be quick. So let's check it out. So we got to break below 401. You basically go short with a stop loss at the high of this candle. That's it. And then you just, it's like a looser play, but you're going alongside the momentum. And then this works. It's very quick. That's the problem. It only lasts a minute, less than 2 minutes usually. So that's why I don't really, I don't mention it. I only try to mention trades that I think are going to have like multiple minutes of them working. But yeah, do you guys want me to call out these as well? I'm not really sure if it's like safe. That's the issue. Because for example, it was like just the same concept up here as the market was initially falling, right? We had like a stop, like there was a level of support being built, and as you broke down that level of support, all you would have to do is go short against this level, and then you would have captured. I didn't know this was going to continue falling this low. That's why I didn't bother saying the short. But literally every single time a level of support is broken or a level of resistance is broken, you just have a stop loss for that candle that broke it, and then you just continue on. Hope that makes sense. But this, it's like you do this, it's a very, very high likelihood that you get at least 10% on the trade. So yeah, just try it out. See if you guys like that. Mhm. Cool. Yo, Hamid, I've been out of the loop. What's going on? What's up, man? I'm always here for you, man. Long time no see, brother. Yeah, definitely rewatch and check this out because this, I'm telling you guys, this almost always works. But I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. The Discord link is in the bio. Okay. Yeah, honestly, I'm gonna share like every trade that I'm doing, and I'm gonna write a stop loss. I'm gonna write the take profits, and like I'm just gonna let you guys know like yeah, it is what it is. Like say for example, like right now, the puts are like 90 cents, right? I'm gonna enter them. I'm gonna explain this is my stop loss level, and I'm gonna explain like the take profit levels as well, and that's it. Because there's a lot of trades that I'm just not sharing because I'm afraid of people entering late. So to fix that, it is what it is, because like literally there's so many sexy trades, man. I'm telling you, and like it pisses me off because I'm not sharing them. And let me check the orders. I went short at 10:39. I went short at 10:39 because like so look, piece of crap. I'm angry at myself, but anyway, so look, the reason, and I hate doing like this hindsight. Oh yeah, this is why I took it. I don't know why I didn't share it. It was because I was just afraid of people like not getting it in time, and then I wasn't sure how much the move to the downside would continue. But no more of that. I'm just gonna share the trade, share the stop losses, and that's it. Because these trades have been having so much more room than I thought that they would. So it's just dumb. Anyway, so look, piece of crap. Okay, so look, so this is a bull flag, right? We're basically ranging, and this move, right? We broke down below this level of support, and clearly, as it ripped up, right? All of these bears were like, "Holy crap! This is such a strong reversal. What is about to happen? Why is this reversing so much?" Right? As it happened, right? It clearly did not have enough strength to reverse if we didn't get a break and close above these prior levels of resistance, right? So then it started to create a bullcrap bull flag. This is not a good situation. So after this big green candle, it made this candle, and then it made this candle. That's not bullish. You understand? That is not a bullish situation. And then God damn it. Anyway, so look, if it was truly bullish, as it bounced off of this, so cool, it came back, it gave people a retest, it gave people an area to rebuy, right? As we know, in bullish momentum, we want a area that we can come back and retest if we're late bulls, right? So everyone that would buy here, cool, you're late bulls, you want it to break back above. You're expecting it to break back above this level of resistance if you had gone long here, and especially if you had gone long here or here, right? But the fact that not only were we continuing to wick down, right, but it wasn't enough. Like these two candles, epic bull trap, epic bull trap. But then as soon as 1039 came around and you started seeing weakness below major levels where we wicked all the way back down to the level of support. First of all, when you wick right back down to the level of support, that is like a very, very strong inclination that any of the bullish momentum that was being built here at this level for late bulls is basically done. Okay? So then at that point, it's a very, very high likelihood trade to go short. Fudge, man. It's all good. To basically go short with a stop loss at the top of this red candle. Oh, the freaking puts are up 50%, bro. But yeah, so now moving forward, I'm just gonna share every little just gonna share every trade and basically just explain the stop loss beforehand and everything. Yeah, man, it's a blessing. This isn't gonna happen again, and if it does, it's not gonna happen a lot. And regardless, this is a good problem to have. So it's a very good problem to have. Thank God. Oh my God. Holy crap, man. The puts are... Oh. Fudge. Yeah, that's disgusting. What's 104%? Right. Yeah. Hmm. A very good problem to have, thank God. Could be worse. I could be trash. Thank God, man. Yeah, alright. Now I know what to do. And yeah, just it's a blessing that this is possible. I can't tell you how frustrating it is that I had put and got out when it started going back up, just to have it go right back down to where you originally thought it was gonna go. Yeah, you just we need to have tight stop losses according to candles and according to basically like closes above. Sorry, it basically needs to be according to closes. It can't be based off of wicks, because when you get wicks, then it's easy to psych yourself out. But yeah, yeah, man. It just bothers me because I am like I'm so upset when because I don't care about trading. Like I don't really like I don't trade for myself. Like I don't really care about like I could, but I hate it that I wasn't able to share these trades with you guys. But thankfully, that is going to be the case moving forward. And yeah. Like, I've only been trying to, you know what? It'll be okay. It'll be all right. Would probably have. Don't worry, bro. There will be many good setups in the future. Thank you. I'm suffering from success. On a 3-minute and 5-minute, it was a bear flag. Nice. Are you paper trading then? No, I out of pocket am paying yearly salaries monthly, and I don't want. If I start sharing whatever money and stuff, I don't want to have to start paying for private security and get like strapped and everything like that as much. I don't want my neighbors or anyone to know anything that I do, and I try to be very incognito with everything. But of course, if I did start showing money and stuff, it would double everything that you guys, it would whatever. But it's not worth it for me right now. I'd rather focus on work and doing other stuff than using the low-hanging fruit to get notoriety. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just trying to just show my success without other stuff, because it would just needless attention I don't really want. So yeah. I also don't want to like scare the neighbors. It's a bunch of stuff. I don't want to stress my mom out. So yeah, it's just a bunch of stuff. I'm just not doing that right now. Or do you think it will go back up and make new highs, or do you think it's gonna just continue going down for the rest of the day? Let me check out the daily chart. So basically, initially, in yesterday's YouTube video, I was saying that 402 401, 402 would be like a good little area for them to bounce it back. Yeah, I would be surprised. I'd be surprised to see if, yeah, this is a very bearish setup. But just looking at the daily chart, it's a very, very bearish setup. We might have a retest. We might have a retest back up to like, I don't even know, 400.5. But it's tough to say where the market is going to go for the rest of the day. That's the issue. Just play the intraday setups. Right now, currently, if we were to close like this on the daily chart, super bearish. But it's only an hour into the market, so yeah, the NASDAQ, the IWM, the SPY, everything. The dollar is starting to look good. Not looking good. Where would you send the alert, here or Discord? I'll let you guys know soon. We'll figure it out. We will figure it out. Do all that good stuff together. But yeah, soon I'm definitely going to be trading all throughout the day. And I'm gonna share basically like everything. It'll be fun. It's gonna be very fun. Probably also gonna start trading the SPX and stuff more as well. And all the tickers. I'm excited. I'm excited. West Stampeder. Yeah, that's a good yeah. Take stuff, spin it. Gotcha, smart. Thanks for answering. No problem. No problem. Here to how many skilled trader definitely paid. Trying to make, I want you guys to be better traders than me. Inshallah, God willing, that's gonna end up happening. Like, I want you guys to be good traders as well, man. Like, and the traders that you are right now, I want you guys to be better. And then that, the more good-hearted people in the world that have money, then we have a better life for everybody. So if I can teach you guys and help you guys make money and stuff like that, then that will help so many people. That's the goal. We should have longed with 435 stop, but whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna read the comments and call it a stream. So look, another quick opportunity, right? For a quick scalp and like a clean trade, basically. Once we got to close above the range, you just go long with a stop loss where the range was. And it's very simple. And then during this minute, you take some profit, and then you just don't basically just a quick scout. That's the issue. Like, it almost always works. You basically just, if we got this big green candle, right? The stop loss would be this, and then you just, that's it. Just let it ride up. Anyway, Ahmed is a trader. Hey, if you're overloaded, I could take some of your money. I live in a hood. Alright, I hope you make it out. You will. You got this, brother. Calls? Ooh, yeah, calls would have been nice. Nice. Mom Muhammad is proud of you. Yep. He definitely is. God. What's your Discord? It's not in the bio. Thank you for the follow, Brian. 1,13,152,001. What's the main difference between trading the SPX and the SPY is the US? So it's just a matter of basically SPX from like a very basic standpoint is it's more expensive. But if you sometimes they move faster, but you could also trade it after hours as well. God willing, that brother. Great. Yeah, comment. I love you, brother. You have improved my trading so much. I have been on a losing streak, but I am learning so much every day. I'm 17 and giving everything I can, change my family's financial situation, and be the one in my family that can generate wealth. I love that. I love that so much, man. If you're young, oh my god. If you're young, oh, because I started trading when I was 16, 17 as well, and I didn't have direction. Like I like got scammed a lot. Not scammed. I basically like paid for a lot of courses and like I studied a lot, but it's like I didn't need those things, right? Damn, that's awesome. If you're young and you're taking this seriously every single day, man, it's a wrap. Like your life is set. Honestly, your life is gonna be set because you have to just think of things on like a longer term time frame. You're 17. You have bills to pay at home. Cool, but you know you have more time. You're not married. You don't have kids. You don't have extra responsibilities that most adults have, right? So you have all of that stuff, man. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's a blessing that you honestly like are learning trading at such a young age, man. Congrats. West Stampeder, yep, 100%. Thank you, man. Yeah, that's exactly how I would share everything in Discord. Can also lose a lot more money. Yep, absolutely. You like trading crypto? I learned trading, and trading crypto was the first thing that I did with trading because back in the day, it would cost like $15 a transaction. So I didn't want to spend that much money trading on stock market. Wish I was insane. I wish I was 17. Wow, sorry. How old are you? I'm 27. You mentioned you had a crypto trading bot. Can we access that? Yes. I'm gonna make that free as well, obviously. Right now I'm just trying to clean things up a bit in like the user interface and stuff. But yeah, that's gonna be easy money as well, hopefully, for everybody. But yeah, the only issue that I can see is like, it shouldn't be difficult, but you would just need to download a VPN and then change your location to like Denmark, and then open up an incognito window or a different browser, and then sign up. So yeah, I'm gonna share all that. That's literally the only thing. And then once you sign up, then it's easy. But yeah, I'm making like a process for people to be able to do all that. I'm gonna have like pictures and like a video demonstration as well to have people like understand. And then I'm gonna hire people to like help with like customer support and like respond to questions and stuff as well. Yeah. Cool. Discord. What the hell? The link isn't there. Wow, that's silly. I thought the link was in my channel, in the description of the thing. Sorry. Touched FVG and went back down. I don't know what you mean by FVG. Asian disappointment. You're not a disappointment, brother. Asian disappointment. You're not a disappointment, brother. I mean, who knows, man? If you don't become a doctor, okay. But at least make your family proud. Oh, fair value gap, fair value ICT. I don't know what still don't know what ICT is. I'm 20, still young, but would have been nice if I started in high school instead of all those years playing video games. Stop. You can't, Sergeant PK, you can't beat yourself up. If you keep on beating yourself up about things that you didn't do in the past, you're gonna plague, as you're trying to move forward in life, you're just gonna constantly, oh my god, you're gonna keep looking in the rear view mirror as you're trying to drive forward. You can't do that. Stop beating yourself up. The world already knocks us down so much. For you to keep doing that on your own as well, man, oh hell no. Stop. Don't do that. Catch yourself, like uplift yourself. You have to be your own best friend. You got to think, okay, cool, I didn't do whatever that I could have done in the past few years, but now it's a blessing because now I'm in a position where I am learning. That's it. Don't let the regret overpower the positivity and the uplifting emotions that you feel, ever. Use that regret, be like, all right, I'm not gonna take this for granted, and just move forward. Catch yourself when you say stuff like that. Don't regret the past at all, because without the past, you would not be who you are today. Without wasting that time, without playing those video games, doing all that stuff, you wouldn't be in this position. Everything is literally made perfectly for you to be in this position right now, to be learning and stuff. Every experience, everything that you went through in life, everything literally made perfectly for you to be who you are and where you are today. That's it. All right, I have to go. I have to really go. There's still a few messages. Oh. Not a doctor, it's a rap. Parents said there's a door. All right, let me share the Discord link, and then I gotta hop out. Gotta hop out of here. All right. Okay, there's the Discord link. Oh. Okay. I just dropped out of school, and most definitely the Asian disappointment. It's good, man. Make the most out of your time, work, push yourself. You're doing something that obviously you know is a lot of risk, so make the most out of it. Make the most out of your time. Like, you're betting on yourself, right? So now's the time to really get serious with your discipline, really get serious with everything. Because if you want to bet on yourself, it's easy to just, you know, say that you're gonna do something, but put action in it. Get really like aggressive, and just like, you gotta become a savage. I'm not sure why you dropped out. I don't know the circumstances, but yeah, man, if you dropped out because you want to work on other stuff, that's it. Work hard. Work hard, brother. Yes. Don't forget to plastic action today. Yes. Sergeant PK, you're right. Yeah, sorry, I didn't mean to. Yeah, everything that I'm saying is all out of love, guys. I don't mean to sound rude or anything like that at all. It's just, yeah. I hope you guys understand. Like, it's genuinely, I'm not trying to be like a rude person. Trading bot sounds awesome, but if you're going to hire people, you should charge a membership fee. No, guys, nah, I'm already, yeah, nah, I can't. I'm never ever going to charge for any of the stuff that I'm doing. So I'm always gonna give free stuff. So yeah, my expenses per month already. We're way past the point of membership fee to cover costs. Brother, I love the inspiration. Thank you, Space Silver. Thank you, brother. Brother, could you recommend some actual trading platforms and tools to do what you do, especially for people in the countries from the UK and really struggling to find someone to help you trade? All right, so in the UK, I think you can use IBKR or Tasty Trades, right? So you sign up for those brokerages, and then I think because in the UK you can only trade CFDs, but then if you use Tasty Trades or Tasty Works, whatever, or IBKR, you're allowed to trade the options on the SPY. I believe. And then you could use tradingview.com as a charting software that we see here on the chart. Basically, this is tradingview.com. Feedback on Apple, please. Been stuck on this call for the past 10 minutes. For the past 10 minutes. Okay. Well, let's hope that this big green candle can sustain itself. But aside from that, have a stop loss. So if you held, yeah, that's a risky hold. It's fortunate that it bounced back, to be honest. But next time when you enter a trade, you need to have a stop loss. You need to have a plan of where you're going to close it if it breaks and close below. So yeah, I hope this continues bouncing. I hope basically 148, 148.05 needs to hold, but this is a very important time for Apple. But yeah, definitely not as bad as it was a few minutes ago. So you could still probably sell for a small loss. Yes, I quit smoking for this. Go to the gym. You need to work out. You need to work out. You need to clean up your diet. You need to, if you're watching porn or whatever, you need to like control your sexual desires. You need to stop drinking. And you need to like create better habits. Stop wasting time. Do things that make you respect yourself more. Like if you are doing things constantly that you know you should be doing, you're going to inherently feel better about yourself. That feeling better about yourself is going to it's going to permeate into everything that you do. So yeah, don't seek out leisure. Clean up your diet, work out. That's it. Like you need to, it's a struggle every day, but you need to remind yourself all of these. You should do some more like self-help book stuff. I really like Steve Harvey. Steve Harvey is really good. Listen to motivational stuff. Don't listen to sad music. Don't watch sad movies. You need to like uplift yourself, and you need to become capable of dealing with way more stress and stronger emotionally and physically and spiritually. And yeah, man, it's gonna work out. It's just gonna take time. Don't expect it to happen overnight, but do not. You know what you need to do. You know exactly what you need to do. Now it's just a matter of doing it. Don't give up. There's a lot of people that were in much worse situations that have gotten out of everything that you're dealing with right now. So don't give up. Even your AI tool will be free. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes, it will. The the results that we've gotten so far from that is it's honestly crazy. Like it's a blessing, man. It's truly a blessing. But yeah, when I say we're gonna change the game, we're gonna change the game. There's no one else. The only other companies that are doing something like this are basically the larger hedge funds that don't really want to share this sort of stuff, or the companies that are just have this have the models working and they're just making money for themselves on their own in the back. But we're gonna be the first publicly facing company that shares this stuff for people. And yeah, thank God. When will the bot be ready? pretty soon. Should be ready in the next like few weeks. Pretty soon. Very, very soon. Yeah, keep it up, man. Keep it up. Asian, you're not a disappointment. You need to change your name. You need to change your name. You're not a disappointment. Yeah, I'm gonna respond in the Discord as well. And are you the one who I'm speaking to on Instagram? I don't know, because I really don't know. But if I'm asking you to send me money, then it's a scammer. Like, there has never been any DM that I've had with anyone that talks about crypto or anything like that, or any crypto website. So please, damn, I need to make that a story actually, because the scammers use crypto. Yeah, please do not send crypto. Or if we are having a conversation, if I'm like speaking about like crypto and I'm telling you to invest in a platform, that's not me. It's a scammer. You said in your video last night that the market would go down because of the dollar. Glad I listened to you. Yeah. Yep. But we still need to let's see how we close. When will you share publicly AI trading tool? Soon. Very soon. I can't give you guys the details, obviously, but just just wait. Things are gonna help a lot of people, and that's basically the main purpose of why I do everything, because it's going to help. If it's not going to help people, or if it's not going to, literally, that's all it is. So hopefully this is going to help a lot of people. Everything that I'm doing is going to continue helping a lot of people. And yeah, man, one step at a time. Naki Chan, did you send me a message on Discord? If you, yeah, please just send me a message on Discord and tell me that, like, who you are from Twitch. I thought I responded to everybody a few days ago. Yeah, I can't give you guys any more information, but basically, yeah, just be patient. Be patient. Things are gonna be nice. All right, guys, I gotta head out. Can't see you. Yeah, on TikTok I don't have like, bro, did you went through a tough time in your life? Just curious. I mean, like, I guess. But regardless of what you went through, people have gone through much worse, and regardless of what you're going through, God only puts you through things that he knows that you can handle. So you just have to take all of those tests and just remind yourself, like, wow, God must think very highly of me if he's putting me through this. So that's it. And yeah, hope that helped. All right, guys, I gotta go. I can't wait, man. Like, can't wait. It's gonna be so fun to trade throughout the day. 1 second. Apple looks interesting. Whatever. All right. Let me do this real quick. I've got 1 moment. Okay. Well, what we've come to realize is that we're going to share trades, share stop losses with every trade. Hope you guys had a good day. You guys have an amazing rest of your day. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. All right. Take care. David Sam, thank you for the follow. I love you guys. Take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow.